This is the multiple choice questions in acoustics series. A PinoyBIX MCQ, quiz, and reviewers. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be always updated to my new video. Thank you in advance. 1. An instrument designed to measure a frequency-weighted value of the sound pressure level. A. Sound level meter. B. Transducer. C. Sound pressure meter. D. Sound analyzer. Answer: A. Sound level meter. 2. A unit of noisiness related to the perceived noise level. A. Noi. B. Sone. C. dB. D. Phone. Answer: A. Noi. 3. An agreed set of empirical curves relating octave band sound pressure level to the center frequency of the octave bands. A. C. Message weighting curves. B. Cephalometric weighting curves. C. Noise rating curves. D. F1A weighting curves. Answer: C. Noise rating curves. 4. The frequency of free vibration. A. Resonant frequency. B. Natural frequency. C. Center frequency. D. Normal frequency. Answer: B. Natural frequency. 5. The transmission of sound from one room to an adjacent room, via common walls, floors, or ceilings. A. Flanking transmission. B. Refraction. C. Reflection. D. Reverberation. Answer: A. Flanking transmission. 6. A measure of threshold hearing, expressed in decibels relative to a specified standard of normal hearing. A. Hearing loss. B. Sensation level. C. Hearing level. D. Sound pressure level. Answer: C. Hearing level. 7. A certain machine with a slightly out of balance motor rotating at 1800 per min is fixed on a perfectly elastic mount with a static compression of 2.50 mm. Calculate the resonant frequency of mount. A. 10 Hz. B. 20 Hz. C. 30 Hz. D. 40 Hz. Answer: A. 10 Hz. 8. Calculate the lowest resonant frequency for a brick partition 120 mm thick, 4 m by 2 m in area with longitudinal wave velocity of 2350 m per second. Assume that it is supported at its edges. A. 10 Hz. B. 20 Hz. C. 30 Hz. D. 40 Hz. Answer: D. 40 Hz. 9. Velocity of sound in air. A. 300 m per second. B. 330 m per second. C. 1130 m per second. D. 344 m per second. Answer: A. 300 m per second. 10. What is the expected critical frequency for a 120 mm thick brick wall? Assume a longitudinal wave velocity in brick of 2350 m per second. And that the velocity of sound in air is 330 m per second. A. 114.5 Hz. B. 214.5 Hz. C. 314.5 Hz. D. 414.5 Hz. Answer: B. 214.5 Hz. 11. The sound power level of a certain jet plane flying at a height of 1 km is 160 dB, re 10-12W. Find the maximum sound pressure level on the ground directly below the flight path, assuming that the aircraft radiates sound equally in all directions. A 59.1 dB, B 69.1 dB, C 79.1 dB, D 89.1 dB. Answer, D 89.1 dB. 12 speaker is a device that A converts sound waves into current and voltage, B converts current variations into sound waves, C converts electrical energy to mechanical energy, D converts electrical energy to electromagnetic energy. Answer, B converts current variations into sound waves. 13. Which type of microphone operates on the principle that the electrical resistance of carbon granules varies as the pressure on the granules vary? A. Dynamic, B. Crystal, C. Carbon, D. Ribbon type. Answer, C. Carbon. 14. Bass responses. A. Maximum high frequency response, B. Emphasizing the high audio frequency, C. Bypassing high audio frequencies, D. Bypassing low audio frequencies. Answer, C. Bypassing high audio frequencies. 15. Pure tone of sound used as standard on testing. A. 1 Hz, B. 10 Hz, C. 100 Hz, D. 1000 Hz. Answer, D. 1000 Hz. 16. Blank is early reflection of sound. A. Echo, B. Reverberation, C. Pure sound, D. Intelligible sound. Answer, A. Echo. 17. Noise reduction system used for film sound in movie. A. Dolby, B. DBA, C. DBX, D. DBK. Answer, A. Dolby. 18. What is the sound energy per unit area at right angles to the propagation direction per unit time? A. Loudness, B. Coherence, C. Sound pressure, D. Sound intensity. Answer, D. Sound intensity. 19. Blank is the unit of loudness level of a sound. A. Sone, B. Decibel, C. Mel, D. Fon. Answer, D. Fon. 20. Blank is the average rate of transmission of sound energy in a given direction through a cross-section area of 1 square meter at right angles to the direction. A. Sound pressure, B. Loudness, C. Sound intensity, D. Pressure variation. Answer, C. Sound intensity. 21. What is the unit of pitch? A. Sone, B. Fon, C. Decibel, D. Mel. Answer, D. Mel. 22. A measure of the intensity of sound in comparison to another sound intensity. A. Fon, B. Decibel, C. Pascal, D. Watts. Answer, B. Decibel. 23. Sound wave has two main characteristics, which are A. Highness and loudness, B. Tone and loudness, C. Pitch and loudness, D. Rarefaction and compression. Answer, C. Pitch and loudness. 24. Which type of microphone operated by electromagnetic induction that generates an output signal voltage? A. Carbon, B. Dynamic, C. Crystal, D. Condenser. Answer, B. Dynamic. 25. The exciter lamp in the optical sound part of a film projector draws 5 amp at 10 volts. How much power in watts is this light consuming? A 10 watts, B 20 watts, C 40 watts, D 50 watts. Answer, D 50 watts.